I'm now on the side of her head, and so it makes it easier for me because all this hair is clumped over. Is I'm going to go ahead and section this piece here, bringing it over that way, following my line straight across. I'm also going to divide again the side of her head. Make sure that's not bothering the customer. Okay, keep it away from their face. Go straight behind the ear like that, and just go straight down this way. And grab a head of hair like this. I sometimes even do this because I know how the hair can fall. I go at an angle, and then I can roll the set. See, I just hurt that, but I just moved it back. But go ahead and doing this here like this. My hand is at an angle. I don't want it bumping into the next roller. Okay, I'm gonna go straight down like that and roll the set here like this. Here down like that. See, and an angle. Look at that. It's at the angle. Look, it's like this. It's very important for you to see that same thing. Follow the line from the last roller to the next piece.